How do you file previous year taxes in TurboTax? So first you gotta go to TurboTax website and sign into your account. Next, from the left panel here, you wanna go to the dashboard and then click on File for a different year. And then you wanna click on Search Topic from Tools, Search Topic, and here type Tax Payments. And then select Tax Payments and press Go. And here you should search for the specific year that you want to file for. And then you should start a new return for that year, because you cannot use the current year return. You should usually find it on the left panel here, and you should be able to start the filing process. And then you'd usually enter your income documents, W-2, 1099, etc. for that specific year, and complete your deductions and credits for that year's rules, and then review and submit your return. You can try to e-file it if it is still supported, or just print it and mail it if required and the e-filing is not available for you. Just keep in mind that you must use the correct software version for that tax year, and some older versions may only be available for mail filing, not e-file option. And you wouldn't be able to mix years inside one return. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.